In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download a shipping label on Etsy using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. Once you purchase a shipping label on Etsy, you can download it anytime from your order history. So there's no need to worry if you didn't save it earlier. Now, if you want to download a shipping label on Etsy, here's what to do. Start by logging into your Etsy account. Go to the Etsy website and sign in with your email and password. Next, open your Shop Manager. Click on Shop Manager from the top menu to access your dashboard. After that, go to Orders and Shipping. This is where all your orders are listed. Now, find the order you purchased the label for. Open the order details. Then, click on Download Shipping Label. The label will open as a PDF file. Once it opens, save the file to your computer or device so you can access it anytime. You can also print the label directly from the PDF if needed. That's it. Downloading your Etsy shipping label is quick and ensures you always have access to your labels whenever you need them.